Hello, my name is Nick Schwedock, a doctor here at Restoration Gateway Hospital in Karuma, Uganda. This hospital is 11 months old, and I'm going to give y'all a tour of the hospital, so follow me. When you come into the hospital, this is the big administrative building. It has administration upstairs and clinical outpatient department things downstairs. Our patients check in here and check out here where medical records are kept. This is our waiting room, which serves a waiting room for our clinic, for our lab and our x-ray, with a big open field to the courtyard where all the wards are. So let's go here into the outpatient department. This is called OPD, or really you'd call it an outpatient clinic. Patients come in here. We have a sub-waiting room. We have 7 exam rooms, a nurse's triage room, and I'll show you kind of a thing that really helps us. The procedure room is here to the right, but here to the left is where we diagnose many things. All of Uganda, there's only like a few handful of CAT scanners down in the capital, 6 hours south, so we rely heavily on ultrasound. We have a nice GE Logic, heavy-duty ultrasound that really helps us a lot diagnose things and treat patients. And so this is a vital part of our team. Let's move on out. After we see patients, if we send them for lab or x-ray, they come out here. And they'll wait on this side of the room. We have 2 lab technicians and a pretty good array of laboratory testing. Here is Susan, our head of laboratory.
Hi, Susan.
If you come in here, we have our CBC, our chemistry machines, we have our blood bank, we have our microscopy and our standing station, and quite a bit of rapid tests that she's doing now, which has really helped us. We can send people out for other labs. Now next door, we have x-ray. The red light is on, which means they're actually taking a film, but in here we have an x-ray unit that can take all extremities, abdomen, chest. So we're going to have to bypass this for now, but it's a really good digital PAC system, so no films, we just look on the computer and see the results.
Oh, nice.
We have a surgical clinic here waiting for a surgeon, another 5 exam rooms that we can have surgical clinics there. When you come this way, you enter a courtyard that has 6 wards, all that can house 30 people. So technically a 180-bed hospital, but we only have 2 wards open currently. This is the Canteen, which is if your patients and families, if you're hungry or thirsty, we have cold Cokes, cold Meditas, Stonies, cookies, crackers, biscuits, and so you never go hungry if you're hungry, working hard in the middle of the day. These are our 2 open wards, surgery and maternity. We're using it as a general ward. It says surgery, general ward and maternity. But let's first take you to our theater. You might say, what's a theater? It's a very British system, so the operating rooms are called theaters. And so when you say I'm going to surgery, they won't understand. We're going to theater, they know. So this was one of the original buildings that was built, and we used it as a clinic at first, and then after we built the rest, we moved out. We are now doing exploratory laps, hysterectomies, and hernia surgeries and C-sections, and minor IDs. So this is generally our pre- and post-op area. Right now we're sterilizing equipment. We have a surgical schedule board up there. And then you come back to our 3 theaters. There's 3 wash basins. This is the main surgery we're using now. I enjoy doing things in the operating room because we do have air conditioning in the 3 operating rooms, so it gives you a little break from the heat. We have anesthesia machines on the way, and they're in Mombasa in a container. Right now we do ketamine, spinal, and general sedatives. We're not using general anesthesia as of yet. Now I'll take you to the wards. As you come out, you can glance to the right. We have a huge $250,000 solar battery array and a generator that keeps us our electricity going because we are off the grid at this time, but hopefully soon we will be on the Ugandan grid. Hospitals in America go up, hospitals in Africa go lateral. So as you can see, this whole courtyard, there's 6 wards. This eventually will be our surgical ward next to theater. But right now, since we're new and not advertising, we are seeing men, women, and children in this ward in different quarters, in chambers, I should say. It's not the U.S. style of individual rooms. It's kind of more the ward system. But we have a nurse's station in every ward, and then 5 chambers that can house 6 beds in each chamber. Nurses are excellent here, hardworking, and do a great job. So we'll move on out. You might ask things we see. A lot of infectious disease, malaria, pneumonias, abscesses. There's still 7% of the population has HIV, so complications from that. And trauma. We do see burns and fractures. This is our maternity ward or OB-GYN ward. It's similar style, but a little busier today in here. We have 3 chambers of 6, and then we have this as a delivery operating room, and then we have our official delivery room over here. So women can labor on this bed, they deliver on this bed, and we have our warmers in auction over here. We have 6 new warmers coming, so that's going to be a great addition to our equipment. So that's sort of what we have for now. There's 4 other wards that are built out, ready to go, but as we grow and get busy, we'll have to add more staff and open those wards. So hope you enjoyed it. We love it here. It's a beautiful location. You can imagine right outside this wall about 100 yards, you see the Nile River, and it's beautiful. You can hear it at night. So it's a beautiful location. It's in the countryside, serving a real important region of Uganda, kind of where north meets west. And we'd love to have you visit, love to have you come, or love to have you come move here. We need the help.